Hi, how are you today? Today I want to transplant the Pepino Melon plant. The Chinese name is called 人参果. It is a fruit of life. I got this plant when it was this small. I transplanted it to the bigger part. Now I think it is ready to transplant it to the ground. This is my front yard. So I believe this part is good for the plant. Okay, I hose down now. I think I will just go ahead give some fertilizer. I don't have a variety of fertilizer. All I need is a microlife and a bone meal. I will put some microlife. And some bone meal. This is the cow manure. Some compost. I will mix some. Okay, some more cow manure. And some more compost to cover the fertilizer. Pepino plants in the pot. It's very nice here. Perfect spot, I think. I digged this basil from existing garden. I just want to plant next to the melon plant. Pepino. I have trouble to say the name. Pepino. Basil can do very well in any soil condition. Normally, I ignore it, not fertilizer or nothing. Just dig a hole. I think I still have a little bit of potting soil left, so I just put some compost to make it do a little better. Okay, so now I also have a little rosemary from a cutting I had before. It dried out almost, so I just go ahead and plant here. I have a lot like that. In our region here, I live in zone 9, and the rosemary doesn't die in winter. It just stay all year long, green all year long. You have rosemary all year long. Poor rosemary. Yeah, this rosemary will be happy. Anyway, this video is about pepino, transplanting pepino. Since I have them, I just want to plant next to pepino. Okay, and I will water some. Try to leave a little space like this, so the water can directly go here and without running out of the dirt. So it's better this way. Leave a little like a bowl, like a sink, a little bit easy to water. Okay, so that's good. Got the water. I'm so happy I planted this. I feel I have some accomplishment for today. Today I was kind of lazy today. Yeah, that's enough work. Feel like water is sinking. Sorry. I feel like the water drains so slowly. The water drains so slow. Okay, take a look. My Pepino melon plant. Now I'm just watching it grow. Thank you for watching.